Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the football-shaped desktop pen stand from D.G.G stationery. This pen stand is made of high PS material by D.G.G stationery, environment-friendly, and practical. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This pen stand is a perfect gift for anyone who is a football fan, especially during the World Cup or any soccer game. This pen stand has 6 holes and it can hold pens, pencils, makeup brushes, scissors, etc. The bottom design is very stable, and pens not easy to fall. Please like, share, and subscribe.